All right, guys, it's been an incredible day sourcing dresses today. I just got this one free, got it all fixed up as far as waxing it and everything like that. Put it online for 150 bucks, got it free. Got this white one for free too. I've already got it listed as well. I do have to do a little bit of touch-up paint on it stuff. I'm gonna do that here in a few minutes. I won't spend more than 10 minutes on that. And that one back there is a solid wood dresser also. I got this one for 20 bucks. Had to do a little bit of work on a drawer. It's about 20 minutes worth of work. Got it posted online too. And I just gotta say, man, imagine you did the same exact thing that I did. Imagine you went and got a couple free dressers and just got the drawers working okay, you know, spend 20 minutes on it. Let's just say you did, you got 3 dressers in 1 month. Right now we have about $260 minimum in dressers. I can sell the white one for 80, that one for 80 all day long. I know for a fact I can sell that for 100. I'm gonna try for 1/5 in it as I have listed now. But $260 in dressers, what if you took a month to sell it? That's a free $260, but I know you can sell a lot quicker than that because I usually sell these within 4 or 5 days, and then I just keep repeating the process. So it adds up. It's pretty fun to do. It's easy money. You don't have to, these are actually the fastest selling items, dressers versus couches, which couches take up a lot of room, big footprint. These don't. They sell better than any other piece of furniture, in my opinion, as far as flipping them. You don't have to refinish them or anything like that. That's super time consuming. I don't even do that anymore. I used to do it, and I was thinking, why would I do that when I'm selling it for the same price after it's painted? So now I just do fixes that get them functional, and then I go ahead and get them cosmetically looking nice, and then I go ahead and put them up online and just flip them as fast as I can. And everything is typically, you know, for example, on these 3 today, if I were to sell all these for the typical prices I do, that's 1,200% profit. Basically, I only spent 20 bucks on these 3 dressers today. Now imagine you did that. And I'd love to show you exactly everything I do as far as how I source my dressers, all the really cool little things I do that you don't waste time on, little fixes that take hardly any time at all, and what to concentrate on, what to look for. And I have Thrift Hacker Academy opening up soon. You can get on the wait list and check it out. And I'd love you to come along with my ride.